everyone, it's Kristen here. I'm here at Shoes of Hollywood and today I'm going to be sharing with you a very special pair called the Adore-709 snake prints. These are a holographic blue snake print shoe and they're a 7-inch heel. I don't think you're quite ready. These are absolutely insane. So you can see that they've got the 7-inch heel here, and like all of the Shoes of Hollywood shoes, they come in very well packaged boxes and include with the drawstring dust bag for travel as well. I'm going to get straight into it because these are an absolute must-have in anyone's collection. You will not find a shoe quite like this one. So I'm going to give you a little look at these. As you can see, many different colours, but hopefully once we get them on and I'll show you them in some different lighting, we'll be able to see all of the beautiful colours in them. Take out this packaging. Okay, just going to pop one on for you. It's going very easy. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to stand up and give you a better look at these. Now these 7-inch shoes, I'll be 100% honest with you, I've never walked in them before. As you can probably tell, I'm kind of a 5-inch kind of girl. But let me know how you think I go in these. The best part of these is they have a fantastic platform, so they actually are very easy to walk with. The length is really mainly in the platform rather than in the heel. So I do find, although a little stumbled, these are very easy to walk in. Give you a nice little look on the side here and I'll turn around for you. These are definitely a statement piece, and I'm not sure if you can pick up too on this lighting, but have a look at how they walk. Alrighty. Don't think I'm doing too bad on them considering the height of them. They certainly make me feel very tall. Have a little look at these from the side. What do you guys reckon of these? What would you wear these to? It has to be a pretty special event. I feel like I might need these in my collection. I own a bit of snake print, but nothing quite as bold as this. Okay guys, it's an amazing day outside, a very sunny winter's day here in Brisbane, so we're going to take a little look outside. Don't forget, if you're liking our content, little notification bell and subscribe to us. We'll give you a notification every single time we upload. So we'll go outside and we'll have a nice look at these amazing shoes. Alright, so you can probably see it really well in the sunlight here. They have this amazing iridescent glow to them. You can see the blue, the green shine. They match quite well with my toes actually. But I think I'm walking pretty well in these. Got a little bit of speed on me at the moment and I'm not struggling at all. I feel very secure in the strap that they have as well, and I think that really makes a difference. But I hope you can see in this lighting just how bright they are. What do you guys think? Do a turn for you so you can see these beauties from every angle. Alrighty, let's head on back inside. I'm actually really surprised at how easy they are to walk in. And if I can manage in my 5-inch heels, you can manage in these 7-inch ones. I think you might need them in your collection. Okay, let's have a nice close look at these. Come back in. You can see in this lighting, it's a bit different in every lighting, but gorgeous in every one still. Okay. can see it might take me a little bit of practice to nail this, but for my first time walking in them, I'm very pleased. So, take these ones off for you once again. These are the Adore-709 snake print in blue holographic. Easy to put on, easy to take off, and easy to walk in. Hope you enjoyed seeing these 7-inch heels as much as I enjoyed walking in them. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys!